Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for Snapchat users: how to see your login activity. It's important to keep track of your account's security, and Snapchat has made it easier than ever to monitor where and when you've accessed your account. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. You might be wondering why we're using Discord, but this app allows you to manage your connected accounts seamlessly. Now, once you have Discord up and running, look for your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. This is your gateway to all your personal settings. After tapping your profile picture, you'll see a gear icon that represents the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This is where the magic happens. You can customize and control various aspects of your account. Finally, in the settings menu, look for an option labeled Devices. Tap on it to see a list of all the devices that have logged into your Snapchat account. This feature is super handy for keeping tabs on your account's security and ensuring no unauthorized devices have accessed your information. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can check your login activity on Snapchat, giving you peace of mind and better control over your account security. Stay safe out there and keep your Snapchat account secure.